I feel Jainism is the best way of eating. Before
Jainism.
sunset, before sunset you have to eat,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and then you're not eating till morning,
Mm-hmm.
and they sleep early.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And then I'd been to Sanakwasi ashrams in Kutch,
Mm-hmm.
Kutch Bhuj area.
Mm.
They don't have tiles. They're on mud.
Okay. Okay.
Again, 0 voltage.
Okay.
And they sleep early.
Mm-hmm.
They get up early. 4:30 they're up.
Mm-hmm.
So if you just, for example, put in this room AC on and all curtains, we keep a cat, a dog, and birds,
Mm.
and we put the light off. So they will never know when it's morning. They would be sleeping.
Mm.
But reverse it, put the AC off, keep your windows open.
Mm.
So exactly 1.5 hours before sunrise, they will be awake. The bird would be chirping.
Mm.
The cat or dog want to go out. If the door is open, they will go out.
Mm. Mm.
Because they understand ozone better than a human being.
Okay. So what you're saying is that in this part of the world, there was a way of living where people were in sync with the cosmic energy cycles. आप जो 11 से 4 बजे सोने का बात कर रहे हैं, 4 बजे उठने का, उसे हमारे उधर ब्रह्म मुहूर्त कहते हैं, ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में उठना. Then you said we have to face the east. So east के जो positive radiations हैं, आप उनकी बात कर रहे हैं. So all this had a science, right?
Had a science, but people were uneducated. So
Correct.
they had to be told under the label of religion. So 7,000 years back, maybe they spoke about Surya Namaskar.
Mm-hmm.
3,000 years back, Moses came and said, go to the early morning to the Wailing Wall. In Israel, there's a Wailing Wall. When you go early morning to the Wailing Wall, you go and pray.
Mm-hmm.
Then 2,000 years back, Jesus came. He said, the first mass is better than the rest of the day, sitting in the church the whole day.
Mm-hmm.
Early morning. Then 1,400 years back, Prophet Muhammad came. He kept morning azan, he kept. Early morning go. And he said the morning namaz should be in the mosque. Rest you can do it at home. So if you go back 7,000 years till now, all religions said the same thing, to get up early in the morning, but under the label of religion. But today science can say it, whether you want to. So I believe that religion is a way of living.
Fantastic. You spoke about, fasting. Intermittent fasting is the word that, today is so popular. When Jains, eat before sunset and then they have their breakfast around 8:30, they are fasting for 14 to 16 hours. So people were naturally fasting and animals are also naturally fasting. So आप ये बोल रहे हैं डॉक्टर ईरानी कि अगर हम जो हमारा ट्रेडिशन था उसको ठीक से फॉलो करें तो हम 100 साल तक आराम से जी सकते हैं.
आप आराम से नहीं, सेंचुरी जरूर बनाओगे. तो मेरा साइंस इतना आगे गया है कि आप 70-80 इयर्स के और आपका घुटना घस रहा है, अब घुटना को बदल देते हैं, हार्ट को बदल देते हैं, लिवर का ट्रांसप्लांट होता है, किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट होता है. तो अगर कुछ ऑर्गन नहीं भी काम कर रहा है तो आप उसको बदल सकते हैं या रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. सो साइंस हैज इंक्रीज द लॉन्गेविटी ऑफ अ ह्यूमन बीइंग. And of course, if you didn't want to fall in this problem, you were following the old Indian culture method.
Correct.
Which again is all this. Getting up early morning, सुबह जल्दी उठो, को टहलना है, जमीन से कनेक्ट रहना है. अभी लोग जूता पहनते हैं, सॉक्स लेते हैं. जूता कितने में लिया? मैंने 14,000 में जूता लिया. तो दे फील वो 14,000 जूता 400 वाला जूता से ज्यादा अच्छा चलेंगे आप. बट एक्चुअली वो भी ब्लॉक करता है आपका अर्थिंग.
तो आप ये बोल रहे हैं कि नंगे पैर चलना मट्टी में या घास पे
या सैंड,
वो बहुत हेल्दी होता है. Great. So Dr. Irani, this reminds me that I had been to Jindal, which
Bangalore.
is Bangalore. तो वहाँ पे एक ये एक्सरसाइज है मड वॉकिंग की. तो वहाँ पे लोगों को मड वॉकिंग करवाते हैं और ये कहते हैं कि वो बॉडी के लिए बहुत अच्छा है क्योंकि अर्थिंग, जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं, वो अर्थिंग मिलता है.